Hi, this is the support video tutorial for the RSS SEO explosion generator software. The most important thing you need to know about this software is that you do not use an email address that has been previously used in blogger.com. So you can put anything in here. Something at anything1234.com will work fine, as long as it hasn't been used before. Enter your password. Make sure your password is at least 8 characters long. Enter the title. This should be similar to the niche that you were creating the blog about. If you were creating a dog, promoting a site about dog breeding, would go here. Then you get extra links on your blog. It's as simple as that. The other thing, make sure you record the email addresses you use to a text file and the password that you use, because down the track, if these blogs gain PR, which a lot of them will, you want to be able to log back into these Google accounts, which is this email address and this password. Then you can add links to your new sites or existing sites or whatever you like. This will come in very handy down the track. Now we'll add an article. Another important point here is, see there's a question mark at the end of that title. Remove the question mark. Another thing I found when people, some people are having problems pasting their articles into here. If you right click on here, you'll see that there is no right click feature with the mouse. Though you can here, but to paste, all you need to do is copy your article to the clipboard and then press Control and then V. Then that pastes your article in there. Then all you need to do is paste your feed and click on Add. Then Start. Then enter the captcha. Right now the software is talking to Blogger via simulating the settings in your Internet Explorer. Now all you need to do, there's my RSS feed up there. Click on Save Changes. That window will close by itself. And now this window will pop up. I'll copy that. I'll record every one of these to a text file for later reference. I'll go here. And there's the RSS feed of this blog I've just created. If I want to see the blog, I just remove the rss.xml from the end. Okay, and there's the article. There's the links there. These are my feeds. All done. If you have any other questions, go to the ADsenseBuzz.com/forum. www.theadsensebuzz.com/forum. Ask any questions that you may have in there. Thank you.